Supplement number 11. So a pharmacist has to fill a prescription calling for 5 ounces of a 12% agric Argyrol solution. She has 5 ounces of 15% solution and 5 ounces of 5% solution. If she wants with 5 ounces of 15% solution, how must she draw off and replace it with 5% in order to fill the prescription? The prescription is calling the pharmacist is calling for 5 ounces at 12% Argyrol solution. So let's get our mixture table, but here we somehow modify our table since we draw off and replace. So first mixture is that our original mixture. Yes, that is our original mixture, and we draw off our second mixture here. We draw off second mixture and add with our third mixture. We add the third mixture. Okay, so we draw off means minus and replace with means plus. Okay, so let's formulate our equation based from the given parameter. So the pharmacist, if she starts at 5 ounces at 15%, so our amount here will become ounces. A percentage, okay, so 5 ounce at 15% solution. So she has prescription, so she remove, so 5%, 5 ounces of 15% solution and 5%, and she start with 5%, and how much she draw off to replace with, so it's not defined, so we draw off the amount of ounces, so we assume X be the amount of ounces for we draw off. So what we draw off is still 15% here. Then we replace it with, yes, we replace it with our 5 here, 5 ounces. That is our 5%. How much she draw off and replace with 5%? So plus 5%. So our whatever the amount is the same with we replace and we add, so they are equal. So here minus plus, so negative x plus 1, it will become 5, so equal, the pharmacist is calling for 5 ounces. Okay, so now we can formulate our equation at by the way, this 5% at 12% Argyrol solution. Okay, so let's formulate our equation. So 15% times 5, that is 0.75, and this will become 0.15x minus plus, this will become 5x equal to 12% times 5, that is 0.6. Okay, so we have a clear equation. So let's solve for our x using your calculator. That is 0.75 minus 0.15x, 15x plus 5x. So no, that is 5%, so that is 0.5. Okay, so equal to 0.6. So shift solve, our answer is 1 and 1/2, or equal to 1.5. or 1 and 1 half. Our unit here is ounces.